There are some difficulties when handling recruitment, and it takes a long time because it has to do a lot of process by using traditional methods. Imagine that is a technology that can replace human work to find suit candidates that they suits to the demands of the company. However, this technology has been created by the intelligence of such technology maker who helps officer to hire employees according with the demands of the company. The new technology that we call as artificial intelligence or AI can help companies in upgrading the recruitment process required by every large company or companies that just being started their businesses. This technology has many benefits such as saving recruitment time and being able to fill position faster and also attracting the best candidate faster and so on. However, this AI has a challenge that employers and the candidates have to face when using the artificial intelligence. The definition of artificial intelligence, or can known as AI, is a technology that able to mimic human actions, such as in making decisions, solving problems that are shackled, as well as is seeing and analyzing the effects of those action. With the technology of AI, they do not have to worry about hiring and can focus their time with a strategic sections to raise the company's name. The importance of AI is able to save the time and fill the required positions faster. If using a traditional process, it will have a lot of process and it takes a lot of time to find the best candidates to fulfill the positions. So with the AI system, it will able to find a data of candidates, analyze the data, and also communicating with the candidate more faster. And when finished analyzing all the data of candidates, the AI will suggest a suitable candidates to the employee's contact and fill the vacancy in the company more quickly in accordance with the needs of the company. AI also can improve the quality of the candidates and require recruitment objective while the recruiting candidates. The system can prevent the candidate that is not suitable and take easy with the interview to get a job that by using empathies of the employees. And next, the candidates who apply are no longer ignored by the company. If in the traditional or manual way, the employers needs to find the candidate's information from the database, and it also have a certain keywords to find the candidate data that is searched. Therefore, most skill and quality of candidates are also ignored just because they do not know the keywords that employees will use to find a suitable proposal. Therefore, with the use of AI system, the candidate's information does not need to be searched, but it can find the entire candidate's information. Furthermore, search through the AI does not need to use keywords, and it can analyze the data and find the suitable candidates for the company according to the specifications set up by the company itself. And lastly, AI can add and enhance the experience of the candidate very well. Um, for example, the AI have a chatbot that can reply the question from the candidates automatically, so that candidates can know the scope of the positions that they going to through with it. Next is a challenge for the employers. Uh, when we use a new technology, of course the employers have a challenge with the new technology, and which is abuse. The problematic data is more on a gender, race, ethnic, and communal. Algorithm that is not updated will be based on the data that is given by the company itself, but and it's a problem that employees need to face because they're afraid that AI remove the best candidate, because if the AI can't understand the candidates or cannot read the proposal of the candidates because of fine, so they will directly stop the interview or the analyze data before the time. And the next is a challenge for candidates. The challenge of the candidates is a lack of human touch. If using technology such as AI system, sometimes AI can't understand or can't read the language or body language, emotions of the candidates itself, and it will consider as unqualified with the specifications of company, because um, the AI system sometimes cannot read, or they just ignore the candidates because of the front cover letter of the candidates is not what companies need. And the impact of the AI is reduction of manpower. When we use a new technology such as machine or robots to do a human work, so the company will reduce manpower of the company, to save the company to save the cost of the company, and also the position does not need a lot of manpower because they use a technology. Then they will try to reduce the manpower, and it will give an impact more to the employees. But there is a good impact when using AI technology, which is the using time the they when they save more time with the recruitment process. They will use the time that balance by the recruitment process with something more important. The time that saved from recruitment process can be moved to a strategic department to improve the company's abilities. So, there is a suggestion to make the AI system more systematic, and that will not be able to give a problem with the company or the employees, especially for the candidates. This AI recruitment system needs to continue to be trained with the better data in the selection of candidates, so that is fairer or more impartial. The algorithm needs to be developed with a simpler and more comprehensive software, as the Microsoft also does trying to examine the bias in AI. In conclusion, AI was created to reduce the burdens of the employees, to recruit the candidates, and it gives benefits to the company a lot. But there are also a challenge and obstacles that need to be faced by the employees and the company when apply the new technology or robots to make a human work. But if the company that is able to face the challenge and obstacles that through with this new technology, in the company that is able can able to go to move forward or move further as the AI system is evolving, and these tools give benefits to the company in selecting candidates that give a better candidate for their position. Thank you.